Okay, good morning. And this cold 28-degree day. We woke up at 27 degrees here in Knoxville and about 28, 29 right now. This is what we came up with. I had to show you to protect the chicken food and trying to come up with a way so the water doesn't freeze. Since I keep my feed, my water outside, I don't keep it in the coop. It's just big enough just for sleeping. Started thinking about the soddy houses, the type of sod houses that the Norwegians used to build in North Dakota in the 1800s. So I took out, since I use a lot of straw for my garden, which I'm excited the garden's not going to be about, it's going to go all the way across, going to be about over 2,000 square feet. I went and got a bunch of straw, and we lined up about 3 bales against the house, and 2 or 3 bales in the back, another 3 on the side. And I just basically took some plastic that mattresses had come in. I used it for I just saved it, and I put an old aluminum door and some ties, garden T-posts in the top. And then I got from Walmart, I got a Christmas tree stand for $2. Turned it upside down. It's a plastic that had like a outside well, and I put a can of spray foam, and I sprayed all the foam inside the inside of it, and I turned it upside down. And then when it dried, I just turned it over and put water, you can see there, and it didn't freeze. And since I sprout my feed, I sprout all my grains, my wheat basically, and my sunflower seeds, they freeze last year. So this is my self-feeder, and they come and eat when they want to, and it didn't freeze. So kind of back here protected. I pushed it back in a little bit farther so the snow wouldn't get to it. They can come out here and they can eat. Most of them have eaten. They're out in the field right now by the bushes. But I read that people would stack up straw up against the nesting boxes on the inside so it wouldn't be so cold and the eggs wouldn't freeze. But this has kept the water from freezing. The old tub I had outside from the summer, the big rubber tub, that water had frozen. There's a top layer of solid ice. And the problem last year was coming out continually breaking the ice or pouring in boiling water to keep the ice from forming once the days weren't going to be above freezing. It's like today. So it's already noon and it's only about 29. So inside that coop, what I did was, you can see here, this is the wall that has the straw. And so far we've gotten 4 eggs today. We got 7 yesterday and 4 today, which is amazing. So 2 things different I did in here was putting the straw on the outside, so it keeps that wall a little bit warmer. And also I got this on the bottom is a big tub that turned upside down from the summer. It had frozen, so I brought that in, dumped out the water, and put another small, same size of tub on top. And this is an idea I saw, was I thought if I could insulate maybe the water like a thermos, it wouldn't freeze. So this is just I think it's a 5-quart or 5-cup water, tells about a gallon. And I put plastic wrap around the blue tub, set that inside the bigger tub. Now I put spray foam around that, took about a can, $4. Then, as you can see, it's just hard. And so the water's not freezing, so that's good. So after it had hardened a little bit, I could lift out the blue tub, peeled off the plastic wrap that was left on the foam, put the tub back in, and now if I need to clean the water, I just lift out the blue tub. That one made a difference of not worrying about the water freezing, which is good. Then over here, I read about keeping suet for chickens and birds, and so I didn't do that last year. Add a little bit of fat to their diet. So that's one thing we have in here is just some extra water. So yeah, just